Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Seth Nelson here from Rising Sun Chiropractic in Southern Minnesota Weight Loss Center. We're going to talk about you being unique and how our program is unique. And as we go through our program, we see some really life-changing and amazing things. And what I wanted to talk about today was someone who was just in a little while ago and is already down 13 pounds in her first 10 days. Now this is amazing. These are great results, and you might see some of our other videos where you see people are down 50 pounds in a few months. These are amazing results, but everyone is different and everyone is unique. And so when we are changing lifestyle and we are changing metabolism, we have some people that might have 13 pounds down in the first 40 days. And those are not bad changes. These are amazing steps in a positive direction. And so as we use our program and we use genetic testing to figure out the uniqueness of you and put together a plan for your life, you cannot be upset with yourself for the wins that are small and the wins that are big, because a lifestyle change is a work in progress and will eventually lead you to the outcomes that you want to see and keep. And so if you have questions about where you're at and you have questions about how our program can fit into your unique lifestyle, we're happy to have you in and have a discussion about it. So please give us a call, click, or stop on in, ask some questions, and we'd love to tell you more about what we do. Have a great day.